guys, welcome back to G's RC Garage. We are back with another epic video. Today we got some fun toys to play with. We got the OG Slash, finally back for another rebuild after the transmission blew on me again for the 100th time, but this time I got a whole new setup. Got the Traxxas Magnum whatever top shaft gear in there with no pin. I found this steel gear because I lost my old Robinson racing gear, so we found this one off Amazon for $7. Can't go wrong with that. We got Scotty out here with his Team Associates short course truck, trying to figure it out like usual. But for now, it seems like they're both kind of running. Just get a little bash in, have some fun. Later on, stick around because we got the UDR at this epic spot. You guys OG might know this spot, right next to Coco's. Nice weather. Let's go have some fun. Woo! See if we can drive one-handed here. Might have to swap back and forth so we can get some real shots. Oh! I'm running my 2-cell LiPo that I use for my starter packs for my nitro truck, so it's like super lightweight. Yeah, I got the LCG conversion on this truck too, so pretty plain. Even when it does roll, it most likely majority of the time comes back to its wheels. So I was gonna say that, so pull up, sorry. He's been running the Muse controller here, which so far it's been a decent bang for the buck. I mean, for the price and stuff. But he's
for my crawler.
Yeah, right. So he's got him on the crawler, and then he got the one that has the gyro and the 2-in-1 because he wanted to run the lights on here. And for some reason, like when it gets too close, it like starts glitching out and has interference. So anybody knows what's up with that, leave a comment down below. Be very helpful because we have no idea why he does it. Watch. Alright, see, now it's coming fine now. You see how it starts like freaking out? There it goes. Yeah. So if anybody knows why it does that, it kind of almost does it like when it seems like it's like really close, right? Like,
yeah, the further I go away, it's fine.
Yeah, as long as it's like further away. So not sure if it just has some weird interference or something, but right, that's what I didn't even touch it. Oh, you got a dangler too. Probably put some glue on those.
Yeah, I haven't done anything.
Nice, lights look cool though. Need to get some lights on my truck. Used to have a light bar on there. Well, I guess it is still on there still. It used to work. Need to get back and fix it. I got some new ones laying around, so I could need to get on there. It's got some Euro action. It's weird though, right?
Spins out every single time.
Oop, got a flopper. I need a new body, before body. It's all split out. Shit. Let's see. Do some wheelies. You. Pretty lively, just wants to hook up. Woo! Nice. Let's pause it, get some more action. Alright, he figured it out. I guess his gyro was going backwards this whole time. Right?
Because there's only one setting on that switch.
Big barrel roll. Oh, look at my poor body. It's all tweaked. Alright, I guess we're gonna be ordering a new body soon. Let me know down below. Should we paint one or should we just get another all black one and just sticker it up? I'm kind of down for whatever. After I painted my last one, oh god, it's so floppy. I'll just take it off. Probably when I paint them though, like they look too nice. I don't want to use them.
Yeah, exactly. Like, I already want another one.
Right?
But then not the one, bro.
They end up being shelf queens. Alright, hope the angles are doing okay here. Driving one-handed, so still need a 3D print attachment. This controller is not the best for one-handed. I was trying to find my GoPro. I'm just sticking it out. Oh, crossover. That's out those Nerf bars.
Right.
Ah!
They're scraping off my paint on my doors.
Ah! Off the course. Oh.
I wonder if that's why it was veering left, because it was like correcting the wrong way.
Yeah.
Now it seems dead straight. Yeah, now it seems straight, so that must have been it.
Ooh, slippery in the concrete.
Yes.
You have a drag race?
Donut into the turn.
Oh, straight into the tree. Hell yeah. Alright, we had enough fun with the short courses. Time to get the real truck out though. Got the UDR. Gonna pass it over to Scott for a minute. He's gonna get some clips real quick so I can actually drive. Because it's terrible trying to drive one-handed. So some different beats compared to the short courses. Actually have brakes.
Start not looking at the actual truck.
Yeah. Right. Hell yeah. Yeah, pass it over to you.
Okay.
See how amateur can handle the UDR. It's like right away you can like totally tell like how much different it is. It's like it's just so much more planted. It's like wherever you point it, it just kind of goes. But still like super driftable at the same time. There you go. Oh! Definitely doesn't skip over the log though, like the short courses do. Oh, good save. Those brakes come in handy. I mean, the two-wheel drives are fun, but there's just something about the four-wheel drive that's just such a different animal when it comes to RC trucks. Nice. Oh, a little Kim Block action. Set up a little jump. Right, set up a little gymkhana course down here. See if I can get a good angle of the drift over here. Look at that berm. That berm's looking good. This freaking homeless guy moved in over here. We're not sure if he's still here or not, but California for you. Nice. Oh, what a fail. Stumping it too much. Gotta go up higher. Get into the loam too much. There it is. My filming's terrible though. Hell yeah.
Like I'm oversteering or something.
Yeah. Give it some more pepper.
Alright. See how he can rip it? I couldn't figure it out. I didn't do that. Mine was at least a love tap and I hit it. There it is. Nailed it. Better.
That was a sick little rip. Hope you guys liked this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Phew.